type of parallelogram. And we saw in the Venn diagram that a trapezoid is not a parallelogram. So that should have been false. A trapezoid is not a special type of parallelogram. Trapezoid looks something like this, and it has one pair of parallel sides. So let's say these two sides here are parallel to each other. That's a trapezoid. Now, if you have a trapezoid, it's a special type of quadrilateral that has a pair of parallel sides. If it has congruent legs, then it's an isosceles trapezoid. That was number 6 from the test. Number 7 says, every rectangle is a parallelogram. This is true. A rectangle is a parallelogram. We saw that in the group of parallelograms, if all parallelograms live in this box, then rectangles are inside of that box. Rectangles are a special type of parallelogram, so every rectangle is a parallelogram. But not every parallelogram is a rectangle. Rectangles must have 90-degree angles. Not all parallelograms have 90-degree angles. So not every parallelogram is a rectangle. And that answered number 8. Every parallelogram is a rectangle? False. Not every parallelogram is a rectangle. And finally, number 9 says a kite has 2 pairs of congruent angles. We see over here a kite. It only has 1 pair of congruent angles. It has consecutive congruent sides, but only 1 pair of congruent angles. These angles here are not congruent.